Cryptocurrencies are digital tokens. They are a type of digital currency that allows people to make payments directly to each other through an online system. Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that doesn't rely on banks to verify transactions. It's a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone anywhere to send and receive payments, instead of being physical money carried around and exchanged in the real world. How does a cryptocurrency transaction work? Cryptocurrency transactions occur through electronic messages that are sent to the entire network with instructions about the transaction. The instructions include information such as the electronic addresses of the parties involved, the quantity of currency to be traded, and a timestamp. Suppose Alice wants to transfer 1 unit of cryptocurrency to Bob. Alice starts the transaction by sending an electronic message with her instructions to the network, where all users can see the message. Alice's transaction is one of a number of transactions that have recently been sent. Since the system is not instantaneous, the transaction sits with a group of other recent transactions waiting to be compiled into a block, which is just a group of the most recent transactions. The information from the block is turned into a cryptographic code and miners compete to solve the code to add the new block of transactions to the blockchain. Take in consideration the following scenario to understand how crypto works. First, Alice sends instructions to transfer cryptocurrency to Bob. Anyone using the network can view the message. Then miners group the transaction together into a block with other recently sent transactions. Afterwards, information from the new block is transformed into a cryptographic code. Preceding miners compete to find the code that will add the new block to the blockchain. Once the code is solved, the block is added to the blockchain and the transaction is confirmed. Bob receives the cryptocurrency. Is cryptocurrency money? A frequently asked question is whether cryptocurrency can be defined as money. The short answer is that cryptocurrency is not a form of money. Cryptocurrencies run on a distributed public ledger called blockchain, a record of all transactions updated and held by currency holders. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complicated mathematical problems that generate coins. Users can also buy the currencies from brokers, then store and spend them using cryptographic wallets. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies. Some of the best known include Bitcoin. Founded in 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is still the most commonly traded. The currency was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto, widely believed to be a pseudonym for an individual or group of people whose precise identity remains unknown. Ethereum. Developed in 2015, Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency, called Ether, ETH, or Ethereum. It is the most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Litecoin. This currency is most similar to Bitcoin but has moved more quickly to develop new innovations, including faster payments and processes to allow more transactions. Ripple. Ripple is a distributed ledger system that was founded in 2012. Ripple can be used to track different kinds of transactions, not just cryptocurrency. The company behind it has worked with various banks and financial institutions. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by the government or central regulatory authorities. As a concept, cryptocurrency works outside of the banking system using different brands or types of coins, Bitcoin being the major player. Mining. Cryptocurrencies, which are completely digital, are generated through a process called mining. This is a complex process. Basically, miners are required to solve certain mathematical puzzles over specially equipped computer systems to be rewarded with bitcoins in exchange. In an ideal world, it would take a person just 10 minutes to mine 1 bitcoin, but in reality, the process takes an estimated 30 days. Buying, selling, and storing. Users today can buy cryptocurrencies from central exchanges, brokers, and individual currency owners or sell it to them. Exchanges or platforms like Coinbase are the easiest ways to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Once bought, cryptocurrencies can be stored in digital wallets. Digital wallets can be hot or cold. Hot means the wallet is connected to the internet, which makes it easy to transact, but vulnerable to thefts and frauds. Cold storage, on the other hand, is safer but makes it harder to transact. Transacting or investing. Cryptocurrencies like bitcoins can be easily transferred from one digital wallet to another, using only a smartphone. If you are using Bitcoin for purchases, the easiest way to do that is through debit card type transactions. You can also use these debit cards to withdraw cash, just like at an ATM. Converting cryptocurrency to cash is also possible using banking accounts or peer-to-peer transactions.